Market research. You've heard the term, but what does it mean? What does it do? Behind every product, behind every business, behind every decision, there's market research. To learn what truly effective market research can do, we traveled to Syracuse, New York, and met up with one of the world's greatest, KS&R. Founded in 1983, KS&R has grown from a tiny company operating out of a cramped office to one of the largest and most successful market research companies in the United States.
KS&R is a global custom market research company. We provide businesses with insights on how to better serve their customers and achieve their objectives.
I think there's three things fundamentally that make us unique and amazing. One is our people are outstanding. They have very deep research expertise and broad, along with strong business and marketing acumen. Number two is just our commitment to our clients is unwavering and really, we think, unmatched in the industry. We often get our clients' most difficult projects as a result of that because they know that we'll do what it takes to really deliver the business insights they're looking for. And third is innovation. We have a natural bent towards either developing ourselves or using innovative methods, technologies and tools, things that we think we need to really deliver the value that our clients expect.
Based on an independent study among companies using market research services, KS&R has ranked as the #1 market research firm in the United States for quality and value for 5 years in a row.
We are a global company. We work in both business and consumer industries. And some of the verticals that we focus on are things like technology of any kind, telecom, financial services, retail, travel and transportation, medical. Those are some of the verticals that we do quite a bit of work in. We provide our clients traditional market research services, quantitative and qualitative type research, surveys, focus groups, and then more and more things like social analytics and then data integration and analysis. So there's a wealth of data in the market today, whether it's research data, customer data, behavioral data, social data, and we help our clients bring all that data together and analyze it to develop business insights to help their business.
In market research, understanding consumers' motivations, needs, and wants is the key to success. Not an easy task in a global marketplace. That is why KS&R always puts the client first.
At KS&R, we do whatever it takes to help our clients truly understand their customers, to help them walk in the customer's shoes, to help them gain empathy for the customer. Empathy is a crazy powerful force. Empathy can go a really long way to breaking down the barriers between a company and its customers. But the truth is, in today's global marketplace, it can be very difficult to know what the consumer is really thinking and feeling and to appreciate that. It can also be very difficult to connect with that consumer because people are just inundated with emails and Facebook posts and tweets. So that's why companies come to KS&R, to find those underlying thoughts and feelings and desires so the products and services they produce really meet the customer's needs. That's really the key to success.
Dedicating themselves to helping people, companies, and industries understand one another, KS&R is the world's greatest